Good. You like that? Huh?
What's that? What's that, Coke? There's something in there. This is Coke's first peanut butter filled Kong. She's 8 weeks old. Doesn't seem to care too much. She's going to play with her daddy. Say hello, Daddy. Harold's not camera friendly. She loves that leash. Well, I guess we'll have to capture that later.